Good morning, students. Welcome to physics class of atoms. So, in the previous session, we have to discuss about numericals, like three numericals. Today, let me talk about remaining numericals. So, already listen. So, already ನಿಮಗೆ WhatsApp ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ numerical problems ನ and in the previous session ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋ problem solution ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Clear? So, write down the next numerical. The wavelength of first member of Lyman series. The wavelength of first member of Lyman series is 1216 angstrom. Calculate the wavelength of third member of Balmer series and also calculate the series limit of Balmer series. Clear? So first ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ wavelength of given first wavelength of first membrane of Lyman series is 1216 angstrom, means 216 into 1216 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Calculate the wavelength of third member of Balmer series and also calculate the series limit of Balmer series ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Clear? Listen. So in the first, you know the general formula of wavelength, general equation, general relation is 1 over lambda equals r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Clear? So first we calculated third member of Balmer series and also series limit of Balmer series. So first ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ series of first member of Lyman series ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ lambda 1. So here the first member of Lyman series so here n1 is equals to 1, n2 equals 2. So first Lyman series ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು first orbit. Electron is transition from higher orbits to ground state, that is called as Lyman series. First membrane means n1 is equals to 2, n1 is equals to 1 and n2 is equals to 2. Substitute that values. 1 by lambda 1 equals r into 1 by n1 square means 1 minus 1 by n2 square means 2 square means 4. That means 1 by lambda 1 equals r into 4 minus 1 divided by 4. That is 3r by 4, where lambda 1 equals 3r by 4, where lambda 1 equals 4 by 3r. We call it as equation 1. Next ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ third member of Balmer series. Third member of Balmer series. So n1 equals 2, n2 equals third members means 2, 3, 4, 5. n2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ third member ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 5. Clear? So substitute that values. 1 by lambda 2 equals r into 1 by n1 square. 2 square means 4 minus 1 by what is that? 5 square means 25. So that is 1 by lambda 2 equals 25 minus 4 divided by 4 into 25, 100 into R is equals to 25 minus 1, 21 R divided by 100. We write it like this: lambda 2 is equals to 100 by 21 R. We call it as the equation 2. Clear? Next, divide equation 2 divided by equation 1. So that means lambda 2 by lambda 1 is equals to, what is that? 100 divided by 21R into, so equation 3R divided by 4. Clear? So here R get cancelled. 4 ones are 4, 25s are. Clear? So where lambda 2 by lambda 1 equals 25 into 3. What is that? 25 into 3? 75 by 21 into 1, 21. Clear? So already we know the lambda 1. Lambda 1 value kottidare already 1216 angstrom. Substitute that value. We want lambda 2, third member of Balmer series. Substitute that value. Can I rub this? Where lambda 2 equals 75 divided by 21 into lambda 1. So that is lambda 2 equals 75 divided by 21 into 1216 angstrom. So calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು 75 divided by 21 cancel this one. 75 divided by 21 into 1216, lambda 2 equals, what we got? 4342.68 angstrom. This is the wavelength of third member of Balmer series. Clear? Next ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Calculate the series limit of Balmer series ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is equation 3. Next, series limit of Balmer series n1 equals, Balmer series means 2, n2 equals infinity. Series limit ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ substitute that value 1 over lambda 3 equals r into 1 divided by n1 square means 2 square minus 1 by infinity. So 1 by infinity means 0. So 1 over lambda 3 equals r divided by 4. So where lambda 3 is equals to, interchange the denominator and numerator, 4 by r. We call it as equation 4. Clear? So next, divide equation 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by equation 3. 4 ಏನಿದೆ lambda 3 divided by lambda 2 is equals to 4 by r into equation 2. What is that equation 2? Equation 2 ಏನಿದೆ? Sorry. So this is the
Hari sir.
huh?
Mobile user.
Mobile. Equation 2 means 21r divided by 100. R get cancelled. Lambda 3 by lambda 4 is equals to 21 into 4. What is that? 21 into 4? 84 divided by 100. So means lambda 3 equals 84 divided by 100 into lambda 2. Already we got the value of lambda 2. Substitute that value. Lambda 3 is equals to 84 divided by 100 into 4342.8 angstrom. So what is that value? 3648 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Clear? This is the wavelength of third member of series limit of Balmer series. Clear? Can we quickly recall? So first, what is the question? Calculate the first end ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. First member of Lyman series is 1216 angstrom. Calculate the third member of Balmer series and also calculate the series limit of Balmer series. So by using the general wavelength formula, 1 over lambda is equals to r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So first member of Lyman series ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ n1 is 1 and n2 is equals to 2. Substitute that values by so ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ lambda 1. Next by using the third member of Balmer series, n1 is equals to 2 and n2 is equals to third member means 3 4 5. n2 ಅನ್ನೋದು 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So we got the lambda 2. Divide equation 2 divided by equation 1 means we got lambda 2 value, that is lambda 2 is equals to 4342.8 angstrom. By next series of Balmer series limit of Balmer series, n1 is equals to 2, n2 is equals to infinity. So by substituting these values, next divide equation 3 by 4, ನಮಗೆ lambda 3 value ಬೇಕು. Substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ lambda 3 value 3648 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Clear? Okay. Next, write down next column. So already solution ಕಳಿಸಿದೀವಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ. Calculate the longest and shortest wavelength of Lyman series of hydrogen atom. Lyman series of hydrogen atom. Calculate the next. Listen. Calculate the longest and shortest wavelength of Lyman series of hydrogen atom, or calculate the wavelength of the first member and series limit of the Lyman series of hydrogen atom. Clear? Listen, what they are given Rydberg constant is equals to 1.097 into 10 to the power of 7 per meter. So ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ Lyman series. So Lyman series means it is a ground level. Electrons is transition from higher orbits to ground state. So first member of general relation one over lambda equals r into n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So first member of Lyman series n1 equals 1, n2 is equals to 2. So substitute that value. 1 by lambda equals r into 1 by n1 square means 1 square minus 1 by n2 square means 2 square means 4. 1 over lambda equals r into 4 minus 1 divided by 4, that is 3r by 4, where lambda 1 over lambda is equals to 3r divided by 4, where lambda is equals to 4 by 3r. Substitute the values. 4 divided by 3 into 1.097 into 10 to the power of 7. So what is that value? Calculate ಮಾಡಿ. 4 divided by 3 into 1.097 means 4 divided by 1 point lambda is equals to 1.215 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meters. We write it like this: lambda equals 2115 angstroms. That is the first member of Lyman series. Next, series limit of Lyman series. Series limit of Lyman series. N1 is equals to 1 and N2 equals infinity. 1 over lambda equals r into 1 by 1 square means 1 minus 1 by infinity 0. So that means 1 over lambda is equals to r by 1, where lambda equals 1.097 into 10 to the power of 7 meters. Clear? So we write it like this, divided by 1 over. So lambda equals 0.9116 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So that means lambda equals 911.6 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. This is the shortest wavelength. This one is longest wavelength and shortest wavelength of Lyman series. Clear? Write down next problem. Calculate the wave number, wavelength and frequency of. Calculate the wave number, wavelength and frequency of H beta line of hydrogen spectrum. H beta line of hydrogen spectrum. So what the question means, calculate the wave number, wavelength and frequency of H beta line of hydrogen spectrum anta kottidare. So already I told you, so what they are given Rydberg constant 1.097 into 10 to the power of 7 per meter. So calculate wave number and wavelength and frequency of H beta line of the hydrogen spectrum anta kottidare. So already we are discussed in the theory portion. So wave number nu bar is equals to 1 over lambda equals r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. That's the wave number formula. H beta line of hydrogen spectrum means in Balmer series, this is a spectrum. H beta line means H beta is n1 equals 2 and n2 equals 4. n1 equals 2 and n2 is equals to 4. H alpha means n1 equals 2 and n2 equals 3. H gamma means n1 equals 2 and n2 equals 5. This is the region. This is the constant values for Balmer series. H alpha means n1 is equals to 2 irutte and n2 equals 3. Beta means n1 equals 2, n2 is equals to 4. Same way gamma means n1 equals 2 and n2 is equals to 5. This is the constant values H alpha and H beta and H gamma of the spectrum of hydrogen atom anta kelidaga, so ನೀವು ಈ values ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Clear? So ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, calculate the wave number and wavelength and frequency of H beta line of hydrogen spectrum. H beta means n1 is equals to 2 and n2 equals 4. So here H beta line n1 equals 2 and n2 is equals to 4. Alpha the line n1 equals 2 and n2 is equals to 3. Next, substitute the values. Nu bar equals r into 1 by n1 square means 2 square minus 1 by n2 square means 4 square. Clear? So nu bar equals r into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16. So that is r is 16 minus 4 divided by 64. So that is 12r by 64. So 1 over nu bar is equals to 12R by 64. Clear? So that means nu bar equals 12 by 64. Substitute that values. Nu bar equals 12 into R value. What is that R value? Sorry, 12, 4 3s are 4, 16s are. So nu bar equals 3R divided by 16, where nu bar equals 3 into R value 1.097 into 10 to the power of 7 by 16. So means nu bar equals n value ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 over lambda. Nu bar is equals to 1 over lambda equals, what is that value? 3 into 1.097 into 10 to the power of 7 divided by 16 means 2.057 into 10 to the power of 6 into 10 to the power of 6 meters per meter. Clear? So next, wavelength ಕೇಳಿದರೆ wavelength equals what is the wavelength formula? What lambda is equals to lambda equals 1 over nu means 1 divided by 2.057 into 10 to the power of 6. What is the value of wavelength? 1 divided by 2.057 into 10 to the power of 6 means 4.861 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meter. We convert the angstrom means 4861 angstroms. 4861 angstrom. That is the wavelength. Next, frequency ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Frequency means, see what is the formula for frequency? What is the formula for frequency? Mu equals 1 by C by lambda. So means C is equals to mu lambda, where frequency is equals to C by lambda. We know the value of speed of light into 10 to the power of 8 divided by lambda is 4861 into 10 to the power of minus 10. So what is the nu is equals to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by 4861 into 10 to the power of minus 10. Divide by 6.171 into 10 to the power of 14 hertz. Clear? That is the frequency formula. So what is the question means? Calculate wave number and wavelength and frequency of the H beta line of the hydrogen spectrum anta kottidru. So we know the general formula 1 over lambda is equals to R into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Wave number means nu bar is equals to 1 over lambda equals R into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So H beta line means of Balmer series, n1 is equals to 2 and n2 is equals to 4. By substituting these values in that equation, so namage wave number form bantu. Next, wavelength is nothing but nu is equals to 1 by lambda, means lambda is equals to 1 by nu. So ನಮಗೆ wavelength formula ಸಿಕ್ತು. Again calculate the wave frequency. Frequency is equals to c equals nu into lambda, means mu is equals to c by lambda, where c is equals to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by 4861 into 10 to the power of minus 10. So finally frequency ಅನ್ನೋದು 6.171 into 10 to the power of 14 hertz. That is the frequency. Clear? So ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ನಮಗೆ h alpha ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, h beta, h gamma ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು n1 n2 ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Okay. An electron in hydrogen atom, an electron in hydrogen atom in the ground state is excited to n equals 4. N is equals to 4 state. Calculate the energy absorbed and wavelength of electromagnetic radiation emitted when the atom comes to ground state. Clear? Bano? 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 Listen. An electron in hydrogen atom in the ground state is excited to n equals 4 state. Calculate the energy absorbed and the wavelength of electromagnetic radiation emitted when the atom comes to ground state. Listen. Given energy equals minus 13.6 electron volt. So ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, an electron in hydrogen atom. So in a hydrogen atom the electron in ground state. So first ಏನಿದೆ ground state ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Again excited to fourth state, excited to fourth orbit. When energy is supplied to the electron is excited to a fourth orbit. Calculate the energy absorbed and the wavelength of the electromagnetic radiation emitted. So ground state in the electron fourth level ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ and also wavelength. Clear? Listen. So this is the energy of the ground state. Electron, the energy of the electron is E equals minus 13.6 divided by n square. Clear? This is the formula. Next, electron is excited to fourth state. excited to fourth state. So n equals 4. Substitute that value. This is E1 and E2. E4. E4 equals minus 13.6. n square means 4 square. So minus 13.6 divided by 16. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ? So that means E4 equals minus 0.85 electron volt. So that is the energy of the fourth orbit. Next, ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ energy of absorbed in the transition. What energy is absorbed in the transition? Energy is absorbed in the transition. So E4 minus E1. E4 means minus 0.85 minus E1 means minus 13.6. So minus into minus plus 0.85 plus 13.6. So E4 minus E1 is equals to, what is that? Minus ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರನ್ನು 13.6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 12.75 electron volt. When the electron is transition from ground state to fourth orbit, that is the energy absorbed in the okay, that is this much of energy is absorbed. ಇಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಂದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಎಮಿಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್ of radiation emitted. So already know the previous class DNR, dual nature of radiation. So energy of photon is equals to h nu. Energy of photon is equals to h nu. Therefore nu is nothing but c by lambda. So where energy is equals to hc by lambda, itara bariboda. So here where lambda equals hc by E, so that is equals to hc by E means E4 minus E1. Substitute that value. Lambda is equals to h is nothing but Planck's constant 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34. 10 to the power of minus 34. C is equals to speed of light 3 into 10 to the power of 8. E minus 4 means 12.75 electron volt. 12.75. What is the least value of electron? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Clear? So simplify ಮಾಡಿ. Lambda equals 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by 12.75 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So that means 9743 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. Clear? This is the wavelength. So what we calculate the energy electron in a hydrogen atom of ground state is excited to fourth level. So calculate energy is observed, how much energy is observed, and wavelength means, so this is the wavelength is 9743 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. So wavelength में ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? So this is the energy of photon. E is equals to h nu. Nu is nothing but c by lambda. So substitute that E equals c hc by lambda. So where lambda is equals to hc by E, substitute that values. Finally we got the wavelength at lambda is equals to 9743 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Clear? Okay. This is our next numerical. Write on the next column. A difference of 2.3 electron volt. A difference of 2.3 electron volts separates two energy levels in an atom. What is the frequency of radiation? What is the frequency of radiation emitted when the atom makes a transition from upper level to lower level? Upper level to lower level. So already our energy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು frequency na calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು when the electron is transition from upper levels to lower level. So energy is equals to 2.3 electron volt. 2.3 into electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joule, where E is equals to next h nu. So where nu equals E by h, that is equals to E is nothing but 2.3 into 10 to the power of 16 into 10 to the power of minus 19 divided by h is 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34, where E equals mu equals 5.55 into 10 to the power of 14 hertz. Clear? This is the frequency. So a difference of 2.3 electron volts of two energy levels in an atom. What is the frequency of radiation emitted when atom makes transition from upper orbit to lower orbit? Clear? Two energy level, upper orbit energy level ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 2.3 electron volts. Substitute that value and calculate the frequency means E is equals to h nu, mu equals E by h. So finally we got the frequency when the electron is transition from higher orbit to lower orbit. This is the frequency 5.55 into 10 to the power of 14 hertz. Clear? So continue next.